This study focuses on what we can learn from the apprenticeship model. What is the apprenticeship model? The apprenticeship model is a system of training a new generation of practitioners of a trade or profession with on-the-job training. What is the basic apprenticeship model for electricians and plumbers like in Utah? Utah acknowledges 3 basic skill categories: master, journeyman, and apprentice training. Master-level electricians supervise journeyman-level electricians. Journeyman electricians can do the job unsupervised, provided that they work according to a master's direction. Journeyman electricians and other apprentices can only work under permits issued to a master. Apprentices may not work without direct supervision. A similar pattern is followed by the plumbing apprenticeship model.
We will focus our analysis upon what both apprentices and experts mutually agree is the most successful components of learning in an apprenticeship. To do this, we will use descriptive statistics to summarize the average Likert scale score for different components and compare the averages for the apprentices and the experts. After our qualitative data is fully gathered, we will code, categorize, and compare the information with the quantitative data. With both the qualitative and the quantitative data organized, we will be able to determine the components' success for the apprenticeship training model.
We anticipate to receive the appropriate amount of participants in order to make a reasonable case for our research question. Our prediction is that learning by observing an expert, learning by doing, and continuous expert feedback will be the key components of a successful apprenticeship.
The survey will ask if the participant is currently an apprentice or a tradesman who has had or currently has an apprentice. However, it's not possible to know for certain if the tradesman is a good tradesman whose response is valuable. Number 2, self-report bias.
The goal of this research project is to discover what components of the apprenticeship model makes this one of the most successful training methods. Our hypothesis is that learning by observing an expert, learning by doing, and continuous expert feedback will be the key components of a successful apprenticeship. Our suggestions for future research would include the study of how this can be applied to the field of corporate training.
Created using Powtoon.